plate.
We're going to
Switzerland.
sa pagkain.
Switzerland.
Kanya pagkain.
Magtitingin kami ng glazer.
Ulam. Alam,
Vegetables.
wala na magtinigtay na. Ay, ganyan kumain mo.
I want them to feel. I want them to...
I want to feel them.
No, I want to show them. Wala sila internet na.
Ulam. Okay, may nakalimutan ko sa akin.
This is vegetables.
Spinach siya. At tayo ngayon pala tayo dideploy. Siya pabalik.
Ngayon pala kami nadali ng uwa.
So, vegetable ka niya.
This... Ang ate hindi nakalapel pero... So we have vegetables here. So nung binili ko siya, pinabukod ko talaga yung leaves na to. Kasi
Pag inukuha ka tao eh.
actually going to Switzerland is so risky. Because they don't have enough plate to use. Because they just only sell the plate to European country. Nation.
Nationwide? Kasi wide marami.
Therefore, the seed is here. And the vegetable is here. So all you have to do, the proper of eating this is just to push it,
Then lick it.
Then-
Hindi mo dyan ito pa kasi para nakikita.
oh yeah.
Beans.
Oh yeah, this is bean sprout. Bean sprout. This is bean sprout. I'm going to show you how to eat this later. And this is, how do you call this? Carbo sticky rice. Using a plastic bag. Okay,
Eko, plastic labo.
with plastic blurred.
Parang sa Ginalin talaga.
I'm going to eat this later.
Flight attendant is running back. The flight attendant is
Nagmelting. Tay, may plema ka. So, 82 resin. I'm going to take all of this because of dizziness problem.
Dizziness disorder.
Because of this dizziness disorder. Mahalaga na yung resin.
Sabi ko din eh, nandiyan ang boss.
Sa talaga.
Ba talaga nag-Amerikano? Sa taga-Pilipinas?
Eh, di ba si Justin na rin?
Ay?
Hindi pala. Yun naman.
Hantay lang ha. Hantay.
Oh, ngayon, after ng election na ano siya, ang bayan ay hindi
Nasaan ang straw mo? Wala daw silang straw.
Walang available na straw.
No, risk nga eh. Ayun. Tanda mo kayo manula.